Hi guys, I guess we are live and there's something cooking in my kitchen, so please don't be worried about it anyways, and there may be some background noise. Let me configure a thing or two. I just need to start up the main scene. Okay, now here we go. And now just let me start you with the introduction. वर्डप्रेस क्या है? वर्डप्रेस को आप एक समझ सकते हो, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे अपने थॉट्स को शेयर कर सकते हो, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे आप कुछ लिख सकते हो, कुछ लोगों को बता सकते हो. जस्ट एन एग्जांपल, अगर मैं फील कर रहा हूँ, इट्स नॉट डोंट रिलेटेड विथ फेसबुक. अगर इफ आई फील समथिंग आई पोस्ट ऑन फेसबुक, वैसी वर्डप्रेस है, बट इट्स फॉर बिग फीलिंग्स. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड इट लाइक इफ यू से वर्डप्रेस एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म आपको दिया गया जहाँ पे आप अपने विचारों को, जैसे जस्ट सपोज कर लो आपको कोई चीज़ पता चली, आपने कोई इन्वेंशन की, तो हाउ वुड यू टेल द वर्ल्ड? द मोस्ट प्रोबेबल थिंग एंड पोर्टेबल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर इट इज वर्डप्रेस. जस्ट सपोज आप कहीं सिडनी में गए, आप कहीं अमेरिका में गए, आप घूम रहे हो, you are enjoying now. You might be interested about telling what features were found in America, what type of boat were there, how did we roam in the, what type of buses were there, what type of aeroplane were there. Okay, so WordPress is a platform basically. बस इतना समझ लो, वो बस एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे आप अपने थॉट्स को, अपने जो भी आपको, जो आप फील करते हो, किसी चीज़ के बारे में लिखना चाहते हो, इट्स अ ई नोट डायरी फॉर यू which can be accessed all over the world. Okay, now installing and activating the WordPress. Let me do it full screen. तो guys, installation and activating में problems क्या क्या आती हैं, कैसे हम लोग उनको tackle करेंगे, how will we troubleshoot them, and suppose you made a user and that user is not getting login access, उनको कैसे ठीक करते हैं. I will explain you all the things live and by an example also. Just let me open it. Suppose I have a website, samriddha.whole.es. Okay, so it's my personal website. You might have got a link for that in my description. So just suppose कर लो कि यहाँ पे एक वेब डायरेक्टरी है. Here you can see there is a web directory जिसमें मेरा पूरा का पूरा कंटेंट है, मेरी पूरी की पूरी वेबसाइट है. अब जस्ट सपोज कर लो मैं यहाँ पे एक ऐसा बना देता हूँ, ब्लॉग. ओके, नाउ प्रेस एंटर. सो करेंटली इट इज नॉट एक्सेसिबल. हियर यू सी error.hostinger.in. oops, you found out the 404 page because blog actually doesn't exist here. So let me tell you how to install the blog. For that I have to visit the hosting provider, which is Hostinger. Let me Google it out. Hostinger, here we go. Just a couple of minutes. Yes, so here's this Hostinger. Login करते हैं इसमें. Here it is member area. You can clearly see member area. So here I go for, this is my hosting. You can clearly see samriddha.whole.es. Okay. Too much sweating, yaar. So now let's suppose that I have to install the blog. For that I will be using auto installer. Now type application name. So I want to install WordPress over here. So WordPress. Here we go. No. Now it is what? See, what is it asking? Install WordPress application. Select application will be installed on your website. Now I am teaching you how to install WordPress on your website. So here you can see there is something configurations. Suppose now, जैसा कि मैं आपको बता रहा था कि WordPress मुझे चाहिए मेरी वेबसाइट की samriddha.whole.es and I wanted my blog in a blog subdirectory. Blog. Okay, so what actually happens is यहाँ पे URL मेरी वेबसाइट का ऑलरेडी गिवन है. Here you can see Okay, now I want the blog in my this, so here I get blog. Language will be same as English. Administrator username say SAMRIDDHA or just say capital ADMIN, the default one. Now password, let me select as admin@123. Okay, now if you know the password, don't do that you log in my website and log and change configurations and settings. Okay, so वेबसाइट टाइटल, अब आपको यहाँ पे वो टाइटल डालना है जो कि आपके वर्डप्रेस वेबसाइट पे शो होना चाहिए. ओके, सो लेट अस सपोज that we input some WordPress 101 workshop. Website tagline: a workshop to know and understand WordPress. Now check again, counter check everything is alright or not. So the URL is correct as far as I know. The admin is the username and admin@123 is the password. Okay, so let me install it. So Stinger is executing my instructions and most probably installation request has been submitted successfully. Please refresh the page in few minutes. So what actually is going on, वेबसाइट के बैकेंड्स पे जैसे कि आपका सी ड्राइव होती है. फॉर विंडोज यूजर आई एम टेलिंग सी ड्राइव्स एंड फॉर उबंटू यूजर्स आई एम टेलिंग रूट डायरेक्टरी में. जस्ट ऐसा सपोज कर लो कि एक वर्डप्रेस का फोल्डर बनेगा, वहाँ पे वर्डप्रेस की सारी कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फाइल्स से wp-login.php. I would like to say tell you all that WordPress is completely based on PHP and JavaScript. Okay, basic HTML and CSS so everywhere it is found, but the core language which is used is PHP. Okay, and you need, it is the must condition that you need PHP 5.2.x on your server. Okay, so now it's the time to refresh the page. Let me refresh it. It's refreshing. Okay, so now here we got it. WordPress installed version 5. WordPress installed at date given. Here you can see it. Okay, and the URL is also provided. Now if we visit this URL, the default blog theme will be loaded. Let it load. Okay, so it's working. I guess I have slow internet connection. So now here the site loads. Here you can easily read the WordPress 101 workshop, a workshop to know and understand WordPress, and here the most basic hello world post. Okay, so now what we want to do is log into our website. The point is, अब हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि उसका URL क्या लॉगिन करने का? तो let me tell you guys one thing. wp-login.php, it is the most probably it is the only URL which you need to know for logging into your dashboard. Okay, so let us now log in. Here you can see the URL. Let me highlight it: samriddha.whole.es/blog/wplogin.php. Remember to put this extension .php, otherwise it will give an error. Okay, so let us press enter. It's working. And now here we go for the username and password. Now username and password कौन सा चाहिए होगा हमें, जो हमने इंस्टॉलेशन के टाइम पे डाला था, that is admin, capital ADMIN, admin. Sorry, why am I speaking the password? 123. Remember me, login. Okay, the password is I guess wrong. Okay, so the now site has loaded and dashboard is open. So now let me tell you what dashboard actually is. Suppose you drive a car. आप कार चलाते हो, योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड ड्राइव्स द कार, यू आर ड्राइविंग, एक्सीलरेटर, ब्रेक, क्लच एंड गियर्स, द हैंड इज मूविंग, but on the dashboard there is some activity going on na. Suppose the speed is 60 kilometer or the temperature of the car is approx this is degree, or suppose the AC is not working of the car. वैसे डैशबोर्ड में आपको पूरा पता चलता है कि आपके वर्डप्रेस के अंदर क्या हो रहा है. सपोज आपने वर्डप्रेस से अपनी साइट बना ली या ब्लॉग प्रिपेयर कर लिया, लेकिन उसके बैकएंड में क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं वो आपको डैशबोर्ड से पता चलती हैं. सो here is the dashboard. There's a message clef is the best way to log in without password. It's free and getting set up to take 30 seconds. So I need not to configure it right now. So let us open dashboard. Okay, it's loading. So here are some activities that has recently happened in my WordPress site just now. Now let me tell you guys what is a page and a post and what's the difference between it. Before that I would like to tell you how do you access those page. Suppose मैंने कह दिया कि I need to access samriddha.whole.es/blog/something. Now if I click enter, an error message is found. Oops, that page can't be found. Okay, so let us start with page and plugins. Sorry, page and blocks, or page and post. What a page actually is. Suppose कि जब आप 9th या 10th क्लास में रहे होंगे तो आपको एक मोटी सी सोशल स्टडीज़ की बुक मिलती थी. उस पर लिखा रहता था सोशल स्टडीज़ पार्ट 10 और समथिंग एल्स. देन केम पेजेस इंडेक्स एंड दिस अबाउट द बुक, कंटेंट्स ऑफ द बुक. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे वर्डप्रेस पे होता है. आपकी जो ब्लॉग है वो पूरी की पूरी दैट इज़ अ बुक, एंड जो उसके अंदर के पेजेस हैं इट इज़ सिमिलर टू द, यू कैन रिलेट इट विद द बुक्स. ओके, सो लेट अस ऐड अ न्यू पेज. लेट मी टीच यू हाउ टू ऐड अ न्यू पेज. ओके, सो यहाँ पेजेस पे आप गए थे, पेजेस पे जाके ऐड न्यू. ओके, सो एंटर द टाइटल. जस्ट टाइटल में सेलेक्ट कर लेता हूँ डेमो. ओके, डेमो पेज फॉर द वेबिनार. Okay, so something I write here. Hey you guys, I am Sam and I like ham. That's a funny statement. I am a PHP developer and I love to share what I know. Apart from this, programming and learning new tweaks is my hobby. You can see here many mistakes, punctuation mistake. Let's ignore them. So here what I did, मैंने पेज को अपने टाइटल दे दिया डेमो पेज फॉर द वेबिनार. ओके, एंड द वेरी नेक्स्ट थिंग इज, क्योंकि I wrote a page, I just made a page which is saved in my browser. Okay, so here is the page name and here is the content of the page. Okay, you can extend it to n lines. Suppose enter something goes here, enter something goes here. So just suppose I completed the content which I want to be displayed in my demo page. just suppose कर लो कि मैंने अपना कंटेंट जो था वो पूरा एडिट कर लिया है. उसमें मैंने जो भी चीज़ें डाली थी, वॉट एवर थिंग्स आई लाइक टू इनपुट देयर, मैंने वो कर लिया है. अब द थिंग इज हाउ डू आई नो कि दैट पेज इज सेव्ड इन माई वर्डप्रेस ऑल्सो? ये तो अभी ब्राउजर में सेव हुआ है. सपोज आपका ब्राउजर क्रैश कर जाए या आपका लैपटॉप अचानक से बंद हो जाए या फिर कोई भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हो जाए तो आप ब्राउजर से इतनी चीज़ अभी रिकवर कर सकते हो. ओके, बिफोर डैट ब्राउजर से रिकवरी के पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि ड्राफ्ट क्या होता है और सेंड करना या पब्लिश करना क्या होता है. जस्ट सपोज कर लो आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने आपको मैसेज किया, हे हाउ आर यू, आप यू वर बिजी डूइंग समथिंग एंड यू जस्ट रोट अ रिप्लाई हाई कॉमा एंड यू मिनिमाइज दैट विंडो. तो व्हाट हैपेंस देयर, दैट मैसेज इज सेव्ड एज ड्राफ्ट. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो पब्लिश के विजेट में सेव ड्राफ्ट. सेव ड्राफ्ट जैसे ही आप करोगे it will be saved on your WordPress blog that the content which I wrote is saved but is not visible to the end user. End user here we can say the readers or someone who likes to visit your blog. Suppose I added some more content here. Hey, I just want to add some more content over here and I am hungry. I would like to have some momos. I guess you know what momos is. It's a suppose momos with spicy cream. I would like to. जस्ट सपोज कर लो मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ और कंटेंट ऐड कर दिया एंड नाउ आई सेव द ड्राफ्ट अगेन. ओके, तो मेरी सारी प्रोग्रेस सेव हो गई है. यहाँ पे आप यू कैन चेक इट आउट. समथिंग गोज हेयर, समथिंग गोज हेयर एंड द कंटेंट आई जस्ट एडेड. हे आई जस्ट वांट टू ऐड सम मोर कंटेंट, एनीथिंग. ओके, so now suppose you have decided that you made all the content into this editor. You now want to publish it. Okay, so there is a button called publish just below the publish widget. So here's the button. Let me publish the first page. Publish. Okay, so now we have published our blog. The first not blog, the first page for our blog, which is the permanent link for that blog is accessible to us and we can easily edit it. Suppose I just want to visit what content I added in my page. I click on this link. Now here you can easily read, hey guys, I am Sam and I like ham. I am a PHP developer and I love to share what I know apart from this programming anything and just that you might be remembering यहाँ पे हमने अपना ड्राफ्ट सेव किया था at this very point pages. ओके, सो और उसके बाद से फिर हमने अपना दोबारा लिखा था, hey I just want to know, sorry I just want to add some more content and I like momos, anything you can write. ठीक है, तो ये तो हो गया आपका पेज. व्हाट अ पेज एक्चुअली इज. Suppose you want to create a demo page which we have already done. Now suppose you want to add some more pages. Okay, so now where you go, edit page, add new page, some more content, some more words, something goes here. Okay, sorry. Now I want to add this page which has a name some more content. Now let me publish it. So I will publish it. Okay, now my the second page is also published. Here's the link. Now we can view it and anyone in the world can view it right now. You can also check it. Some more words, something goes here. Okay, now let me tell you guys जैसे कि एक बुक होती है, मैंने पेज का डिस्क्रिप्शन दे दिया कि ओके दिस इज़ आवर पेज, दिस इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ आवर बुक, सिमिलरली दिस इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ आवर वर्डप्रेस ब्लॉग ना। उसमें आपको सेक्शंस, बुक आप पहला पेज खोलते हो, मान लीजिए कंटेक्स्ट है बुक का, द सेकेंड पेज लेसन स्टार्ट्स और चैप्टर स्टार्ट्स, पैराग्राफ स्टार्ट्स। ना हाउ टू ऐड दोज थिंग्स? फॉर दैट वी नीड पोस्ट्स. ओके, so we have covered up till editing the content of my blog or website, adding, editing or reviewing pages. We have done that. I guess you have used WordPress, MS Word, and for Ubuntu users there is LibreOffice Writer. Okay. Similarly वैसे ही आपको यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा पैनल मिलता है जहाँ पे आप अपने जो भी लिखना चाहते हो या जो भी एक्सप्रेस करना चाहते हो उसको आप फॉर्मेट कर सकते हो. फॉर्मेट इन द सेंस नॉट दैट insert the hard drive and format it, not that format is meaning applying some colorful changes or changing the text of the font size and font family. Okay, so now let us deal with posts. What are posts? just suppose कि आज आपके कॉलेज में कोई इवेंट था and you want to tell the world कि how that event happened, how that started, how that ended. So you will not obviously not create a page for that, just as a page. जैसे कि ये तो वही बात होगी ना, आपकी बुक में एक क्वेश्चन, जस्ट सपोज कर लो आपका एग्ज़ाम चल रहा है, एग्ज़ाम के लिए आपको एक क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला, उस क्वेश्चन पेपर को आप अपने अपने बुक के पीछे लगा दिया. नो दिस इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट, आई वॉन्ट टू एड इन टू माई बुक फॉर फर्दर स्टडीज़. That's something crappy, you know. So for that purpose we are provided from WordPress with posts. So now what post actually is? Suppose a life event occurred in your life. Suppose it was something creepy or something funny or something sad or truth about the life, anything happened and you want to share it with the people. So just here it is post, add new. Okay, so it's buffering, and here is a demo page, post for my beloved viewers. Okay, so hi viewers, I know I might be boring you, but it's necessary to know and learn what WordPress actually is. So why is it necessary? You can give any reason. Some reason goes here, some reason goes here. So ignore the spelling mistakes, whatever happens. Suppose I want to add, suppose you clicked a snap of an event that happened in your college. Now what I do is कि I want that photo which I clicked to be accessible to the world in my post. So for that we have a button called add media. I clicked on add media. It asks me to drop files anywhere to upload or select files. So maximum upload size, that is a warning only. Select files. Select something random picture, or let me show you. Suppose I downloaded a image something. Oh, sorry. That was not. Sorry again. Do something. Let me save this. Image.png in pictures. Okay. Now let me upload this to my post. Select files, pictures, image.png. Now here you can see it is uploaded. Suppose you want to add some caption. Some caption goes here. Here you can see there is a caption box where you can add some caption and description. This image tells me to do something. Okay, now alignment we will see later. I want to insert it into my post. Okay, so let me insert it. Here we go. Now alignment, what does it means? Suppose that I want that this image not to be here but in the center, so I will press align center. Okay, the text also got centered, but is the caption which we put earlier. So now let us suppose that I want to add some more text. Okay, some text which describes the picture below. Okay, now let me publish this post for you. So if you want to do any further changes and you don't have time, you can save it as a draft. Save draft using the save draft button. And now the here the post is saved as a draft, which only you can view. Okay, suppose I give this permalink to someone who wants to visit the saved draft, then he can't visit it until and unless he's the admin of the website or the blog you hosted on your hosting. Okay, so now let me publish it. Suppose I press the publish button, and now I press this. So now here you can see the title which we put earlier, the subtitle, and here is a demo post for my beloved viewers, some text. And if you tap on this image, do something, you need to do something. Okay, go back. So as you are the admin of this blog, you are getting to see this edit button which can be pressed and it will directly take you to the editor. But suppose you just copy link location and send it to some of your friends and they enter it, and suppose they enter it in any other browser, suppose the default browser. Okay, so here we go. Let me close it. So now that friend just copies link and opens it in the browser. So now here you can find that edit button is missing, right? That edit button is not accessible. ऐसा नहीं कि वो छुप गया है या फिर हम लोग उसको देख नहीं पा रहे हैं, वो edit button यहाँ पे है ही नहीं. Why? Because it is not logged in as admin. Okay, so be sure कि ये चीज़ सिर्फ आप कर सकते हो, आपकी ब्लॉग को या वेबसाइट को सिर्फ आप ही एडिट कर सकते हो. Okay, so now let me check images. Now let us know how to customize and edit and align images. Okay, so suppose the post I created has an image. Let me center it and let me edit it. Okay, so as far as I know, if I read a newspaper which has only thousands of line containing आज की ताज़ा खबर ये हमारे शहर में ये this happened, and it does not contains any image, so I will not find it crispy as a Lay's tomato or any flavor which you like. But if it has some images inside it, I will find, oh, that happened in my city, I must be knowing it, or I must know it. Okay, so images are the heart. Sorry for that, sorry for this notification, let me close it. So now let me give you a brief of how to edit images in WordPress. Suppose I want to add some caption. Hey, this image is not good for displaying, in my blog. Alternative text. If you hover over this area, you will see the text. Okay, now it is asking us to edit the original image or to replace the image. Okay, so I don't have to bother about it, just let's update it. Okay, and update. Suppose just you want to know that ki the changes I made is visible in real time also. No, it's not. Absolutely यार, it's not. I already told you कि जो भी changes आप करोगे यहाँ पे वो पहले आप preview करोगे, then your users can view. Suppose I want to save it, preview changes. So now whenever I will, so here you can see, hey, this image is not good for it, sorry for this spelling mistake. Hey, this image is not good for displaying in my blog, I just wrote it. But if you see here, which is the original content, the image is still left and it does not have any caption. Now if you are thinking कि मैंने अभी अपडेट किया और अब रिफ्रेश करना चाहिए, तो let me tell you guys, रिफ्रेश करके भी दिखा दे रहा हूँ. So I did a refresh and voila, nothing happens. Why? Because I am previewing it, I have not still updated it. Now let me update it. Okay, update, it's working, it's working, it's working. Now this post is updated. Now let me refresh this page. Refresh. Yes, it actually works. So now you might be knowing what is the difference between preview and update. प्रीव्यू अगर आप करते हो तो आप सिर्फ देख सकते हो कि वहाँ पे आपने क्या क्या चेंजेस किए, लेकिन अगर आप उस चीज़ को अपडेट कर देते हो तो ऑल द वर्ल्ड कैन ऑब्वियसली सी इट. सो नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, आई वांट टू ऐड समथिंग मोर. सो फॉर दोज हु आर इन वेब डेवलपिंग और वेब प्रोग्रामिंग फील्ड, they can actually see the code written behind it. Suppose I want to add a list. For those who know what a list is in web development, it's generally an, suppose आपको मम्मी ने बोला, आजकल एक जोक बहुत चला हुआ है, बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ और बेटा धनिया लाओ पुदीना लाओ. You might be aware of that joke. So let me add some text. Mom asked me to bring pudina and dhania from the market. So I will create a list, ordered list, li, suppose coriander, and I don't know what's the English of pudina, sorry, लाई पुदीना लाओ. Haha. Great joke. LIOL. So you might be seeing that जो भी टेक्स्ट मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है वो विजुअल्स में आपको एज अ ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट. नाउ व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एन ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट एंड अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट? जस्ट यू सी बुलेटेड वंस आर द अनऑर्डर्ड वन and 1 2 3 or first second third or A B C D that are the ordered list. Here's something code, let me correct it. Okay, now let me check the visual. So now here it is correct. ये बस उनके लिए था जो कि चाहते हैं कि मैं बैकएंड में कुछ और भी डाल सकूं. Now let me update it. Sorry for those viewers who are actually viewing this side. Pudina and dhania is not actually the thing I wanted to show you. But for my viewers, let me check. I want to update it. And it's working, still working. Now it's updated. Let me open it. So mom asked me to bring pudina and dhania from the market. Here you go. Okay. Now suppose you created multiple posts. How do you come to know how to manage those posts? Now let me create some posts, more posts. Add new. Some posts are here. Post or post, anything you can write. Just know that you can write anything. Okay, you just publish that post and one more post I want. Post 2, alt control copy, paste. Some posts are still going in the right way, but I love doing experiments. You can write anything, just anything means anything. Okay, just publish it. Now it's published, and when I click on all posts now, I will see a proper list of all the posts which I have made or committed till now. So now you can here see a hello world post. यार ये तो मैंने नहीं बनाया था. Now let me tell you guys one thing. Remember when I just installed the Wordpress and I opened samriddha.whole.es/blog? ये वही है. Let me show you. Okay. Welcome to the Wordpress. This is your first post, edit or delete, then start blogging. Okay. So it is also a post. Apart from that, जैसे कि मैंने बताया, अगर किसी ने word use किया, I want to highlight it for bold or to WordPress, I can move it from here to here. I can do anything. I just want to, जैसे कि मैंने अभी धनिया पुदीने वाली लिस्ट बनाई, I want to just do this bulleted. Mom asked me to bring some fruits, some vegetable, and a pack and milk. So you can easily see ki how things are working. It's just an editor. Okay, I want to update it. I can just preview changes. How will it look? Okay, hello world, to WordPress theme, whatever I edited, then start blogging. Mom asked me to bring fruits, veg pack or milk, or I can just edit it or close this. Now let me tell you how to manage all posts from So why is it asking me? This page is asking you to confirm because I have not saved those changes. Okay, and I don't want to save these changes. So I will simply select leave page and all posts. Okay. So here are all the posts which I just made. Whenever I hover over these, some posts I can quickly see edit, quick edit, trash or view. Trash means delete the post. Same here, same here, same here. Or you can just apply all the actions, select bulk action. Select bulk action, move to trash or edit. I can just simply do it. Suppose I want to do edit this post, apply. Suppose I want to add some more tags, hey there. I can simply update it, or just it's a quick review for how do you edit the post. Okay, so it's a complete panel for editing the posts. Now let me tell you more about. Oh, it says whoa, is that all? No, not at all. Understanding and using URLs. Now what actually URL is? I guess you might be knowing what actually a URL is, but still I want to tell you. Suppose I want to edit the first demo post which I made, so I press on edit. Then on, suppose I want this Pudina to be clickable. Suppose कोई visitor मेरी website पे आया and he just got to know, okay, what Pudina is. He's some Russian visitor and he does not know what Pudina is. So I will just add a link. Here you can see insert edit link CTRLK. There's a shortcut CTRLK for that. I just press it and paste the URL. Suppose http www.ethdox.com or just say facebook.com and I press apply. Now remember, I need to update these things. Okay, now it's updating. Okay, so now you can see a line, just a linear line, horizontal, just below the Pudina. So what does it mean? Is it clickable? Yes, of course. I can just view it. So here's the post and Pudina contains a line, and when I press on Pudina, Facebook opens. Why? Here's Ashish Gupta's post. I can just see his coding very properly. My Facebook open. Why? Because I post the link in that Pudina to open Facebook. So how do you come to know what links are to be pasted? Suppose you are writing a blog. Let me tell you. I write a post to tell the people that how actually the website works. So let me add new. Working of a website. Here I go for some www directories, the hosting provider, and obviously the content. So these are just the crisp recipes which are required for building a website. Suppose I want to insert a link in www directory. Suppose it is something and I want it to be clickable. So I insert a link. Suppose the link is http. Always remember, the URL always starts with HTTP hypertext transfer protocol colon www.suppose google.com. Enter the hosting provider. Suppose I want it to be clickable. And clickable, and I want to write http://www.facebook.com, and I want here, and I want it to be static. Now here you can see the link is currently, I guess the link is not inserted properly. Yes, http://facebook.com, insert it. Okay, so now it's working, and I want to publish it. Okay, so now any visitor is visiting my blog and he is visiting this page. Okay, working of a website. Suppose he reads some content and he come to know the hosting provider is what actually the hosting provider I need to know. So it is clickable, and then you need to know what URL or what link are you giving in the backend. So I as far as I remember, I just provided the Facebook link. So if I click on this link, it must open Facebook. Oh yeah, voila, it opened Facebook. And as far as I remember, I clicked I put a link to open Google here. So if I press this link, so Google is opening. So now you come to know the working of URL, how URL works, how should it start, and how it the basic working of the URL. So post or page. Now what's the difference between post and page? अब तक हम लोग यहाँ तक कवर कर चुके हैं. पोस्ट क्या होता है, पेज क्या होता है, डैशबोर्ड क्या होता है, एडमिन कौन होता है, हु कैन एडिट द ब्लॉग और हु कैन विजिट योर वेबसाइट, व्हाट इज अपडेट एंड व्हाट इज प्रीव्यू. ओके, सो एट दिस पॉइंट अगर आप ये वेबिनार अगर आप ध्यान से देख रहे होगे तो आपको थोड़ी सी कन्फ्यूजन होगी, यार पेज भी डूइंग द सेम थिंग एंड पोस्ट इज ऑल्सो डूइंग द सेम थिंग, दोनों तो कंटेंट ही डाल रहे हैं. सो लेट मी टेल यू गाइस एग्जाम्पल. आपकी बुक पे जो पहला पेज है वो इस वर्डप्रेस का पेज है, जस्ट रिलेटेड, एंड जो पहला पैराग्राफ है वो जस्ट सपोज कर लो कि किसी लाइफ इवेंट को बता रहा है, तो डेट इज अ पोस्ट. ओके, ऐसे आप रिलेट कर सकते हो कि जस्ट कैलेंडर है, कैलेंडर कहीं देखने को नहीं मिलता, सबके फ़ोन में हो गया, लेकिन जस्ट सपोज इन अर्लियर टाइम्स वी हैड अ कैलेंडर पे वेरियस फोटोज़ होती थी. जस्ट सपोज कर लो कि वो फोटोज़ नहीं, वो पोस्ट थी और वो पूरा कैलेंडर एक पेज था. मीन्स आप पोस्ट को पेज पे करते हो, ना कि पेज को पोस्ट पे. ओके, सो यू पोस्ट द पोस्ट्स ऑन द पेजेस. गॉट द पॉइंट? I hope you got the point. So the next thing we're gonna cover is plugin. So now what plugin is? Plugins क्या होते हैं? Plugins, add-ons, ये सब क्या है? क्यों हम लोग यूज़ करें? So plugin is a thing which increases the functionality of your WordPress blog. How to use it and how to understand it, how to just create some extra features to your WordPress blog. That can be just suppose कर लो कि यूट्यूब सारे के सारे चलाते हैं. यूट्यूब पे जब आप कोई लिंक पे क्लिक करते हो या किसी भी इमेज पे या किसी भी वीडियो पे जब आप क्लिक करते हो तो एक छोटी सी लाइन आपके नैव बार के पास में रेड कलर की वो आती है, रनिंग फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. सपोज आपको एग्जैक्ट वही फंक्शनैलिटी आपके वर्डप्रेस में भी चाहिए. सो नाउ लेट मी टेल यू, जस्ट सपोज I clicked WordPress 101 website. There is no line coming, it just loads the page, and now I want that functionality. So what will I do is just click on plugins. बस इतना समझ लो, प्लगइन एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो आपकी वेबसाइट में फीचर्स को इनेबल कर देता है. ओके, and I want to add, sorry, the terminal got open. I want to add new plugin. So I can just search the plugin, or if I have already pre-downloaded it, I can upload it here. Suppose I want YouTube line, okay? It's searching, still searching. YouTube embed WordPress, YouTube is everything, or I want YouTube loader, simple word WP YouTube like slim progress bar. Okay, now I have got the plugin, the correct plugin, so I will search with it with progress bar name, progress bar. Okay, progress bars, a simple progress bar shortcode that can be styled with CSS custom progress bar, or I want to just see the YouTube progress bar. It's just a hit and try method. You need to install the right plugin. YouTube progress bar, less than one install, 20,000. YouTube embed WordPress for adding video to your website. Just suppose simple WP YouTube like slim progress bar. Let me install it. It's installing. Install failed. The package could not be installed. There might be some problem in that package. Let us suppose that I want to add the image resizer or anything. Just suppose I want to add the watermark in my watermark in my pages. I'll just do a search, watermark pages, LDW watermark. जस्ट नो कि कभी भी किसी भी प्लगइन को इंस्टॉल करने से पहले उसकी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पढ़ लेना एंड रिव्यूज ज़रूर चेक कर लेना. मेक श्योर कि आप ये कंपेटेबल विथ योर वर्जन ऑफ वर्डप्रेस चेक कर लो, क्योंकि अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो मे बी आप मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आपकी साइट क्रैश कर सकती है. साइट क्रैश करने का मतलब ये आपने जस्ट सपोज खोला yourblog.com and it will not open. I will tell you later on how to rescue from that condition. So let us suppose I want to add the most featured plugins, BuddyPress, Akismet, BBPress, or the most recommended plugins. Contact form, Google XML site, all-in-one SEO. Okay. Suppose I want to make my blog look like something else, so I will try to do something else in my blog, writing the post again and again, changing the format of my post. Just let me do one thing. Let us Google out what that plugin is actually known as. YouTube loader plugin in keep the query as short as possible. YouTube loader plugin, YouTube video and audio downloader, loader, LOADER in WordPress. YouTube loader progress bar plugin in WordPress. Oh, here we got it. YouTube progress bar tags WordPress plugin, simple YouTube WP tube slim progress bar. Let me download it. Download version 1.1.0. I'm downloading it. Let me save the file. Okay, the file is saved, and now I will upload it. Simply upload it. Just download किया, upload कर दिया. As simple as that. Downloads. Yes, simple WP YouTube ना अपलोड में होता क्या है, ये उस प्लगइन की एक छोटी सी फाइल आपके वर्डप्रेस के फोल्डर में बना देता है और उसकी सारी PHP और JS की जो स्क्रिप्ट होती है वो बैकएंड पे चलती है. ओके, so here we got the plugin install failed because the plugin might be corrupt. I guess you now know what plugin actually is. Suppose I want to add a carousel, image carousel. It's searching carousel ultimate 500. Now here I can see compatible with your version of WordPress. I will just install it. Installed. Activate. It's important to activate the plugin you just installed. जैसे ऐसा समझ लो कि आपने अपने रूम में लाइट लगाई और उसको वायर कनेक्ट करना भूल गए, ये वही एक्टिवेट नहीं किया. लाइट तो लगा दी, फ्रॉम लाइट आई मीन दैट ट्यूबलाइट और CFL, लेकिन अगर आपने उसके वायर्स नहीं कनेक्ट किए तो आप चाहे स्विच ऑफ करो, चाहे ऑन करो, चाहे कुछ भी कर लो, वो काम नहीं करेगी. जस्ट लाइक दैट यू नीड टू एक्टिवेट द प्लगइन. सो नाउ आई नीड टू स्टडी व्हाट डज इट डू. व्यू डिटेल्स. It's still working. Carousel plugin allows you to do shortcut to display carousel, post page or widget. You can easily display multiple responsive carousel. So you can read the whole documentation or just know what it does. Customize. Now आपने जो plugin install किया है उसकी आपको availability कहाँ से मिल रही? Just know. अभी आप देख रहे थे, अभी यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई ऑप्शन नहीं था. आप अगर चाहो तो वीडियो को जब ये स्ट्रीम कंप्लीट हो जाएगी तो वीडियो को रिवर्स करके देखना. ये फीचर कैरोजल फ्री ये जस्ट अभी इंस्टॉल हुआ इसलिए यहाँ पे विजिबल है. ठीक है, आई वांट टू जस्ट ऐड न्यू. ओके, ऐड न्यू कैरोजल, सम इमेजेस, वेबसाइट आई डोंट नो, or you can put any website just for sake, www.facebook or instagram.com. Link target, let it be blank. Let us publish it. Now you can view this. Sorry, because we have not given a proper link. सपोज अगर मैं यहाँ पे किसी ऐसी साइट का लिंक देता जहाँ पे ढेर सारी इमेजेस होती तो वो डायरेक्टली एक कैरोसेल बना देता. ओके, सो नाउ यू गॉट टू नो व्हाट दिस प्लगइन डज. ओके, नाउ यू कैन जस्ट क्रिएट शॉर्टकोड्स. शॉर्टकोड्स एक्चुअली क्या होते हैं? जस्ट सपोज कर लो आपने आपके टीचर आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं and you just wrote down the things very in a simple handwritten manner, and your teacher uses a word known as very frequently. तो आप क्या करते हो? K/A and you read it as known as. Simply short code भी ऐसे होता है. सपोज आपको पूरी की पूरी आपने एक नई कैरोसेल बनाई and it the default ID for that carousel is carousel underscore one underscore new underscore something underscore something or something or something something. Now what you do, just add a shortcode. Here is a complete view where you can add the shortcode. Okay, here's the shortcode for this carousel, and that shortcode will tell the blog कि okay, the shortcode just suppose कर लो कि आप blog हो, आपके जो टीचर है वो ब्लॉग का बैकएंड है. जैसे ही आपने देखा नोन है, सॉरी माय बैटरी इज लो, आई नीड टू जस्ट प्लग इट इन, जस्ट अ कपल ऑफ सेकेंड्स. ओके, हेयर द चार्जर. ओह, इट्स स्पार्किंग नाउ. ओह फाइन, इट्स चार्जिंग. ओके, सो आई वाज जस्ट टेलिंग अबाउट द शॉर्टकट. शॉर्टकट क्या होते हैं कि आप ऐसा समझ लो आपने उस चीज को पूरा शॉर्ट करके और अपने ब्लॉग में जहां पे भी आपको उसकी फंक्शनैलिटी लगानी है आपने उसको वहां पर डाल दिया. ओके, सो वी हैव गॉट टू कवर प्लगइन्स, वी हैव कवर्ड. नाउ थीम, इट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. व्हाई? जस्ट बिकॉज आप फ़ोन चलाते हो, फ़ोन में आपको वेरियस थीम्स मिलते हैं, वो आपकी लुक एंड फील चेंज करते हैं। किसी को कोई रोबोटिक थीम पसंद आती है, किसी को जस्ट नेचर वाली थीम पसंद आती है, किसी को कोई लव या रोमांस वाली थीम पसंद आती है। वैसे वर्डप्रेस ऑल्सो, सॉरी फॉर दिस नोटिफिकेशन, लेट मी क्लोज इट। थीम्स के बारे में बता रहा था आपको। सो थीम्स अपीयरेंस थीम्स, you can see the current theme which is installed, customize 2015. Suppose I would like to add some new theme. Just suppose कि मुझे ये फूड वाली थीम पसंद आ गई, हैप्पी। Okay, so I got to install it. It's still working, installing. It might take some time. I don't know why is it taking so longer. It's still working and working. So here we get the message installed and now we need to activate this theme. क्योंकि मैंने बता रखा आपको ऑलरेडी कि लाइट आपने लगा दी, लेकिन उसके जो वायर्स हैं वो कनेक्ट नहीं किए हैं, तो आप लाइट को कुछ भी करो वो जलेगी नहीं। सिमिलरली मैंने यहाँ पे वायर्स को कनेक्ट कर दिया बाय प्रेसिंग द एक्टिवेट बटन। ओके, so now this theme is activated, and if now I wish to visit this block, let me reload. It's working, and wow, the complete setup, the complete theme of website is changed. You can see various posts and this and logo, something, which you can directly or anytime edit it in the dashboard. Okay, so now let me tell you guys appearance plugins. What are comments? Suppose आपने कोई ब्लॉग लिखा, okay, जस्ट टू बी श्योर कि आपका ब्लॉग जो वो सबको विजिबल है, हमेशा अपडेट करते रहना, द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग। ओके, सपोज करो आपने अपडेट कर दिया और कोई वो ब्लॉग को पढ़ रहा है, सपोज आई रीड दैट ब्लॉग एंड मुझे कमेंट करने का मन किया, ओह दैट ब्लॉग इज ऑसम, योर इंग्लिश इज वेरी गुड, दैट इवेंट हैपेंड वेरी वेल। सो वो सारी कमेंट्स कहाँ जाती, कहाँ से मैनेज होती हैं, कहाँ पे वो आप उनको एडिट कर सकते हो या चेक कर सकते हो। तो दैट देयर इज अ कमेंट सेक्शन मेड फॉर दिस। ओके, तो कमेंट सेक्शन में क्या है, हाय दिस इज अ कमेंट टू डिलीट, जस्ट लाइक द हेलो वर्ल्ड। यहाँ पे एक ऑलरेडी गिवन है आपको कमेंट, इसको आप ट्रैश कर सकते हो, ट्रैश मीन्स डिलीट कर सकते हो, एडिट कर सकते हो। अनअप्रूव इन द सेंस, सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे ब्लॉग पे कुछ एब्सर्ड थिंग्स लिख दी, that the blog is not fine and you just don't want other visitors to know कि मेरे ब्लॉग पे ये चीज़ लिखी गई है, so you simply can unapprove it. Okay, so यहाँ पे रेड लाइन बन गई है, यहाँ पे नोटिफिकेशन आ गया, oh that you have unapproved it and there are no comments in your blog. Okay, so this was complete basics of WordPress. इसके अलावा भी अगर आप चाहते हो कुछ करना या फिर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा करना, तो आप कभी भी वर्डप्रेस का 101 ट्यूटोरियल देख सकते हो मेरा। तो लास्ट थिंग मैं जो आपको बताना चाहूँगा वो सेटिंग्स, क्योंकि आज के वर्ल्ड में आई सपोज एवरीथिंग इज ऑन क्लाउड एंड डेटा कभी भी लॉस हो सकता है। आई गेस क्लाउड से कभी लॉस नहीं होता, लेकिन यार क्यों भरोसा करें किसी दूसरे के क्लाउड का, आई डोंट ट्रस्ट। तो सेटिंग्स में जाते हैं, देखते हैं कि हमारे पास कोई बैकअप या कोई ऐसा ऑप्शन है कि जिससे हम अपना जितना भी वर्डप्रेस का कंटेंट है, सपोज आई होस्टेड माय वेबसाइट और माय ब्लॉग ऑन अ वेब सर्वर व्हिच इज नॉट सो रिस्पॉन्सिव, तो आई नीड टू टेक बैकअप्स। ओके, सो हियर वी गो, जनरल राइटिंग, रीडिंग डिस्कशन, मीडिया राइटिंग। So here's the tools option for that, where you got to see import and export. I just want to export all the things from my website or blog to a pen drive. So I will simply choose all content and download export file. So it's just asking me to where to download or what to do with it. So you can see, okay, I want to download it. Now आपने जितनी भी प्रोग्रेस की है अब तक वो आपके पास अवेलेबल है here. Okay, यहाँ पे आप देखो .xml open with, suppose I open with an editor, atom, it's still loading. So now XML file है, so it just contains the information only. Okay, so it contains all the basic details. What's your title of the workshop, blog, and where did you, the date. Okay, it will just contain all the things. ये बहुत ही geeky चीज़ है. Never mess it with it. I never mess with it. Let me close it. So I guess I have completed an hour. I have eaten up an hour of yours. So just suppose कि मैंने जो अभी चीज़ें sorry मैंने अभी जो चीज़ डाउनलोड की उसको मैं किसी भी, सपोज मेरा सर्वर क्रैश कर गया या मेरे सर्वर में कुछ भी एनी फिजिकल कैलेमिटीज जस्ट हैपेंड and my server was just formatted and was allocated the space, I can just import. Okay, import all WordPress. I just need to install, and you can just do anything with the WordPress. Okay, links, dashboard, sorry. So here the dashboard, you can see all the activities we just did. The time is currently wrong because GMT I have not set that. अगर इसे मैं प्लस 5:30 कर दूँ तो ये एकदम करेक्ट टाइम बताएगा. I just did some activity working for a website. These are just the posts and pages I created. Okay, आपको याद है मैंने अभी कमेंट अनअप्रूव की थी. So it's one in moderation that you need to approve it. It's just telling me that WordPress 4.7.3 version, it's the version, and it's running the happy theme. Okay, so now here you can आप आसानी से एक WordPress ब्लॉग बना सकते हो, अपनी वेबसाइट को होस्ट कर सकते हो और उसको मैनेज कर सकते हो. That's all, and I have come to the finish. Let me open this. Thanks. Here's a link if you want to see these slides. Let me put it in a post. So it's the last post we are going to make. Just add new. Here we go. The link for slides. So here we write link and insert this link, securely enter, publish. So the last post is here. See, you can just click on it. This link will open the slides. Okay, it's working fine. Thanks. I would like to tell you, if you have any queries or any problem related to WordPress or PHP or anything, just to know, or you want to learn, or you want to know more about me, just you can you can just Google about me. My name is Samriddha Prajapati. Okay, so now you got all the links, all the things covered here. And if you just want to know what I do or what my handle is, you can just do Samriddha P. As simple as that. So my handle is also here, Samriddha Prajapati on Twitter or PHP developer. anything. So if you want some help, just Google out and I will reach to you. Okay, so thanks and bye. Love you all. Tada.